papillae. And look at the tongue clearly. You can see some are rounded elevations here. Okay, small elevations you can make out. These are called as fungiform papillae. Okay, fungiform papillae. Then rest of all tongue, that is all filiform papillae. Okay, now on the sides of the tongue, look at the sides. So you'll see this vertical lines, right? So these are the foliate papillae. So usually this is where the the tongue cuts when we are chewing. Okay, so foliate papillae. So these are the different papillae of the tongue. Now if you see the substance of the tongue, look at the substance of the tongue. This is all skeletal muscle. Mostly it is formed by the bulk, formed by the genioglossus muscle. All this muscle is the genioglossus, the bulk. Rest hyoglossus, styloglossus, palatoglossus are minimal portions which adds to only part of the tongue. But bulk of the tongue is formed by genioglossus. And internal muscles of the tongue. Internal muscles we have transverse muscle, vertical muscle, longitudinal muscle. This is the vertical muscle will be here. Okay, longitudinal muscles will be here, and we have horizontal muscle also, the muscle which extends from one side to other side of the tongue. Okay, so these are internal muscles of the tongue. Now let's see here. This is the oropharynx. Okay, the portion between this region between the oral cavity and the pharynx. This is called as oropharyngeal isthmus. We studied nasopharyngeal isthmus, oropharyngeal isthmus. Also, oropharyngeal isthmus is important in occluding, okay, during swallowing and also during respiration. Remember that. Usually, this oropharyngeal isthmus is also in the closed position. So, when we are swallowing, we don't inhale air. Okay, that too doesn't happen together. This is called as deglutition apnea. When we swallow, our breath is stopped. That's why it is called as deglutition apnea. Okay.